Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. So I'm going to talk about 5 different ways to get rid of the bad smell in your vehicle. And this is related to the AC system. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon where you notify new videos. And I really appreciate that thumbs up. It helps the channel a lot. Thank you very much in advance. So let's start out. Number one, is always start out with the engine compartment. Look around the engine compartment, look under the engine cover, look from left to right, wherever direction you want to look for. You want to look for mouse droppings and stuff like that. If you have a lot of leaves and stuff on the thing over here, you're gonna be looking for problems, right? And also, if you park under a tree, under a lot of grass, so you don't drive the car, just leave it a long period of time. Yeah, you want to look for those mouse droppings and such, right? So keep it clean. This vehicle obviously doesn't have any issues or any of that in particular, but I'm using it to show you what to look for. And the next item I want to look for is actually the cabin air filter or the cabin pollen filter, or we want to call it that, right? So that's a very simple thing to do, and you can just change it out. But if it's dirty, you can actually have bad smell in your ventilation system. So as well too, you should change it at least once a year, and that's my opinion, of course. So if you drive it more often, maybe you want to change it more often. So if your car is very clean, like this one over here, and you don't see any liquid coming down, like from a animal piss or anything like that, then you'd be okay. So otherwise you're gonna things coming down on your vehicle and they're gonna smell terrible. Then you have probability. And you also, if you leave food in there, you're gonna have problems. So the bad odor starts, you say, when you start the vehicle. So that's a little different issue than a pets issue. So that's usually related to the ventilation system. So there's a number of ways to approach this over here. And it's not only Honda, Toyotas, Lexus, and other brands that have it. A lot of other vehicles do have this issue because moisture trapped in the ventilation system. So if it's a closed system, then this could happen. So the thing that, I didn't really start the vehicle, I'm just showing you on this one over here in particular. What you need to do is actually go into the system, turn off the AC. You can still have air blowing at you, right? Or you could turn on the heating heater. So the heater actually kill the moldy smell, right? It smells like cat pee, I guess, or something like that. Also, when you're driving, before you reach the destination, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, make sure you turn off the AC system, right? So just like this one over here, you could turn it on by clicking it and turn it off. Just simple as that, right? So you turn off, it's still blowing air at you, just like the AC system is not on. You're just blowing the air at you, so that prevent the moisture buildup and being trapped over a long period of time. Then you're gonna have that smell, and it gets pretty bad, pretty nasty, especially in the summer and stuff like that. It's really nauseous. But I do wanna show you what I learned from past experience. The next thing you probably want to do, also to clean the ventilation system, if you have this bad moldy smell, is AC refresher service. And that process, in short, is basically you spray a liquid on the air intake, which is the near the wiper and the glass in the front of the vehicle. And also you need to get this foaming solution that you put on the bottom where the drain and the drain is. Then you need to foam it up. You do that first, actually, in fact, before you do the air intake. So in short, I'll link a video there because I don't want to talk about all the details in that. But Toyota and Lexus does a little bit different, I guess, maybe from others. But you're gonna get the idea. It cleans the AC system, so get rid of the foul, musty odors. Hopefully that video helps you out. I really appreciate a thumbs up. If you have a comment to share, please leave it below. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.